Forgetting a Wi-Fi network on your iPhone 16 allows you to remove saved network information, which can be helpful when troubleshooting connection issues or when you need to update the network password. Here's how it's done. First, head back to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. On the next screen, find the Wi-Fi network you want to forget and tap on the information or the letter I icon next to the network name. At the top of the network details screen, tap on Forget this network. Finally, tap on Forget to confirm. The selected network will then be deleted from the iOS wireless network system. By then, you can toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh the list of available networks, then tap on the network you want to rejoin and enter the Wi-Fi password if prompted. This feature on your iPhone 16 is particularly useful when you've changed the password on your Wi-Fi router and need to update it on your device. The same thing when you're experiencing persistent connection issues with a particular network, or whenever you want to remove a network you no longer use from your saved list. Note that after forgetting a network, your iPhone will no longer automatically connect to it. Should you wish to reconnect to a forgotten or deleted network, you'll need to manually select the network and enter the password again. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.